So again next one topic is the subtraction is the full subtractor. Already we discussed about the half subtractor. Next one is the full subtractor. So it is also performing the subtraction between the multiple bit. It is totally depends upon the multiple bit operation. It is a subtraction between the multiple bit. Whereas in the barrow form we are take as the previous bit. Actually for these two what we are getting, that borrow is the considered as the another bit. Okay, so the full subtraction will be having three inputs, that is the a, b and c, and we are getting the outputs d and b naught as usually. Okay, but here totally it is a 3-bit type of full subtractor we are representing. Okay, so again same thing we are using, that is 0 0 0 minus 0 0 and again 0 minus 0 0. Okay, we are getting totally 0. Okay, again if you here observe 0 minus 0 0 and again 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 means actually 1 is the difference and actually 1 borrow will be getted. Okay, here also 0 minus 1 actually 1 is the difference, again borrow. Okay, again 1 minus 0 1. Okay, this is the 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 we are getting the borrow is a 1, but 1 minus 1 0. Okay, like that one we are represent the total truth table for the full subtractor for the different combinations. Totally 3 bits we are consider. Okay, actually we write the 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. These are possibilities for the 3 bits. Okay, so by considering this truth table we are representing the expression for the difference and borrow. Okay, this is the difference where we are getting the ones, that is considered as the expression. Here 1, this is the a bar, b bar, c, plus this is also 1, a bar, b, c bar, again this is the one, a, b bar, c bar. Okay, plus again this is the one, a, b, c. Okay, so again we want to simplify this total expression. Okay, for that purpose we are taking the common as the a bar. We can write the b bar c plus b c bar, plus again for these two values we can take the common as the a, b bar, c bar plus b c. Okay, so again this one same, but for our convenient we are considering the total borrow. Again we are taking the borrow. Whenever this will be replaced, this is the value we are getting. Okay, it is not changed by taking the borrow. Okay, then only we can, for convenient we are representing the borrow, then we can write b bar c plus bc bar. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ బారో తీసుకున్నప్పుడు అగైన్ ఇదే సేమ్ వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే బీ బార్ హోల్ బార్ బి వస్తుంది, సి బార్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, అగైన్ ఇక్కడ బీ బార్, సి బార్ హోల్ బార్ సి వస్తుంది. దాన్ని మనం కొంచెం షిఫ్ట్ చేసి రాసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, so next we can take let a is equal to p and b bar c plus b c bar as a q. Okay, then how it can be changes? A bar means p bar q plus a means p. Okay, p, this is totally borrow, sorry, totally this is the borrow, this is a p q bar. Okay, this means p exclusive or with q. Again we can rewrite this a exclusive or with b, b exclusive or with c. Okay, that means q means nothing but this one, then only we can write b exclusive or with c. Okay, same as the actually it is same as the full adder circuit. In the full adder also I can represent that same thing in the full adder circuit also. Okay, again this is the expression for the b naught. Okay, this is the expression. By considering the truth table we can write this expression. Okay, again we can simplify this expression by using the k map. And this is the simplified form of k map for the expression for the grouping. This is the a bar c plus a bar b plus bc. Okay, so this is the expression for the b naught, that is the borrow. Okay, so again what we want to write next one we want to design the logic diagram of full subtractor. Okay, So logic diagram means actually what we get for the difference, that is D is equal to A exclusive OR with B, B exclusive OR with C. And again this is the bar, this is the A bar C plus A bar B plus B C. Okay. So first we can draw the logic diagram for the difference. A exclusive OR B with C means, first of all we can take the exclusive OR symbol. Okay, so we can take the inputs, we can represent this is the A and this is the B, AB. Actually AB, this is the exclusive OR with B, this is the ending. Again this will be performing with a C, that means we can, this output will be again exclusive OR with C, then only we can take again another input, that is the C. This is the C. Okay, this is the C. So this is the logic diagram for the D. That means D is equal to A exclusive OR with B exclusive OR with C. Okay, this is the completed. Again what is the expression B naught? Okay, here we can observe that we are having a relation with and OR. First we can take the AND operations, A bar C again plus A bar B plus A B C bar. Okay, first we can consider this one, A bar into C. Then how many number of AND means 3. Totally we can need 3 AND gates. This is the 3 AND gates. Okay, so first A bar C. Actually here this is the input totally just A. Again we want, but we want A bar. Then what we want to do, we can complement this one, then only we can take the complemented symbol, that is a not, then this will be converted into A bar. This is the A bar. Okay, A bar C, C is general, this is the C. Okay, this is the C. Okay, again A bar B. So from this we can connect this one, this already, this is the complemented one, we can pass this one into the NOT gate, then this is the A bar, here we are getting A bar, then we can take this one as the A bar, we can combine with another one, so this is the A bar. Again what is the one, B. Okay, we can take this B from here. Okay, again BC, so B means here, C is, we can also use from here also, we can connect this one, is the easy one. Okay, BC. So all these 3 will be totally R, that means plus means R, then only we can take the R and we can combine all the outputs of the AND, and this is the R1, so this is the B naught. Okay, is the B naught, B naught D. Okay, this is the logic diagram for the full subtractor. Okay, thank you.